では単語を覚えてからいろいろな言い方を練習しましょう。でこの他にも他の言い方をご自分で単語を選んで練習してください。まず coffee, tea, juice, paper, grass, water, air, Pacific。 では This is not coffee. This isn't coffee. This is not the tea. This isn't the tea. It is not juice. It isn't juice. This is not air. This isn't air. It is not the paper. It isn't the paper. It's not the paper. This is not the grass. This isn't the grass. That is not the water. That isn't the water. That's not the water. This is Joe. This is Tokyo. It is the Pacific. It's the Pacific.